Steven, how would you rate the current Kawasaki Ultra 310 versus Yamaha FX versus Sea-Doo RX TX hulls versus an older hull of your choice for riding through rough lake chop? I won't give you a score. That's what I spend a whole month doing Watercraft of the Year with 4 other people for, where we do numerical scores. But I will tell you, it's in that exact order when it comes to hulls. Currently, it's in that order. Ultra, FX, and then RXTX being dead last. Ultra being first, FX being close second, and then a Texas mile behind the RXTX.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.